First, remove the two 10mm bolts on the outboard edge of the underside of the rear bumpers. After you've removed those bolts, move on to taking off the license plate and frame. License plate lamps are removed by unscrewing the fastener and disengaging the clips by tilting the housing. Disengage the clip on the wire harness to detach the lamp housing. Repeat this process on the opposite side. To remove the center step pad, first detach the bolt covers and the small square covers located on the top surface near each end of the trim piece. A flathead screwdriver or trim tool can be used to pry up the top clip. Slide a trim tool under the edge of the bumper step pad to knock loose any rocks or debris that have become lodged. Be sure to perform a dry fit before attempting to install your rear bumper shells. Do this by following all the instructions in this video without removing the red backing. This gives you the opportunity to check for a good fit while allowing you to have some practice before the rear overlays are permanently on the truck. Be sure you're satisfied with the look of the overlay on your truck before moving forward with next steps. After the dry fit, clean the surface of the bumper thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol, wiping the areas where the tape will be installed. Pick up your adhesion promoter stick and press down on the area indicated on the stick to puncture the vial inside. Apply the adhesion promoter to all areas of the rear bumper where the 3M tape will be touching down. Peel back the edges of your red 3M tape about 2 inches and wrap it around to the front side, securing it in place with masking tape. If present, peel back the top edge of the protective film so it doesn't get stuck when fitting it under the rear bumper trim. Begin by slipping the edge near the license plate under the step pad. You can use your trim tool to help guide the edge under the step pad as you work your way to the outside. Be sure that the clearance window for the license plate light is properly aligned. Next, gently pull back on the backing tabs to expose the tape underneath while applying pressure to the part as you go. Repeat this process on all exposed tabs. Repeat this installation process on the opposite side. Reinstall the license plate lights. If you ordered an overlay with a protective film, you may peel that back now. Reinstall the lower 10mm bolts. Reinstall the center step pad. Keep in mind this will take some additional pressure to correctly align the bolt holes due to the addition of the bumper shells. You may need to use a mallet to reset the clips and covers.